Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have an old friend, LuxSB. I did this a few months back and I really enjoyed it. And they just reached out to find out if I'd like to receive it again. And I was definitely on board because I have used up my scents from my first bag. That's how much I liked them. So let's get in here and see what I got this time. LuxSB is a luxury scent box. It is a $15 per month subscription to receive perfume monthly at your home. And they have a 100% authentic designer and niche fragrances. You can go in and set up your calendar. You can look at everything they have and tell them what to send you monthly. Or based on your fragrance survey, they can give you suggestions, or you can just let them pick based on that survey. So they get a really good feel for what it is that you think you will like. And each month they send you a fragrance. And it comes in the little box. They actually have a premium subscription too. And if you do the premium subscription, you will get the case each month. And you will have access to a few of their more exclusive fragrances at no additional charge, but that is $20 per month. And just for the record, this is the case. On the inside is the perfume. We'll get into that in just a second. But if you do the $15 subscription, you get this case quarterly. You will get it with your first fragrance, and then you will get it quarterly. I know this is going to be a lot of information, so I will put their link below, which is just luxsb.com, and I will put my promo code, because with KathRINMCCARTY, which is my promo code, the first month won't be $15, it'll be 35% off for $9.75. Also, they have over 500 brands to choose from, which is amazing to me. And they have one of the largest sizes available in a scent box, and it's 0.30 ounces. So they say at 5 spritzes a day, it will last you a month. You get 150 spritzes out of one of these. So it will last you a full month, even if you use 5 a day. Okay, while we keep talking about this, let's get into my fragrances. They did send me 3, and we'll show you all 3 so we can talk about the fragrances, but you will receive 1 per month. So the first month you'll get your fragrance, and it will come in your case. And then the next 2 months, you'll just receive your fragrance. And then on the 4th month, you'll receive another case. And the beauty is these easily come in and out to exchange them. But when you twist it, it locks it down so you can carry it in your purse, you can travel with it, whatever you want. Okay, let me glass up and tell you that my first scent is Mimoise Luxuria Extrait de Parfum, made in the UK. I don't know this. I can't wait to see what it smells like. So you just take your fragrance, and your first one will come in it, but you just take your fragrance, pop it down in, and then you just twist this, and it closes it. And it can't come out, and it can't squirt. It's just secure in there. And when you want to use it, you just twist it and spritz it. So since I can't spritz all 3 of them on me, I found some nice FabFitFun tissue paper. So we will spritz this, and then I will decide which one I want to wear. So this is the Mimoise, which feels like it needs an R. Oh, it sprays so nice. Oh, that smells good. It feels familiar to me. Oh, it smells so good. I like that a lot. Let me look it up and see what the notes are. I can go right to the LuxSB site and find everything I need to know about the fragrances. So the Mimoise Luxuria, which is what we just sprayed, says, you know I'm happiest when I'm reading you guys information. It is the essence of lust, seduction, and intoxication. Well, it does smell very nice. It says that it is a floral fragrance opening with the waves of juicy cassis and raspberry, highlighted with a twist of ylang-ylang and tuberose in deep notes of sweet vanilla, musk, suede leather, and amber. Doesn't that sound lovely? It actually does smell quite lovely. I like that one a lot. So let's see what else I received. Now, like I said in the beginning, just remember when you sign up for this, you get 1 perfume per month. Ooh, they sent me another case, and this one's purple. But this is what, just for the record, this is what the case looks like. And you just twist it, and your perfume is in there. And if you want to change it, you just, can't do it with my left hand, you just lift it out. And this is Mancera Insta Crush. And that is what it looks like. We'll put it back in here, and we'll give it a spray, and we will see what it smells like. I have new tissue paper. It smells like absolutely nothing. Oh, that's very nice. It's very fresh. don't know what that, I don't think that actually reminds, you know, sometimes scents really take you to other scents. This does not smell like anything I have smelled before. Let's see what it says about this. This says that the Mancera Instant Crush is an irresistible trio of rose, jasmine, and amber in a rich mix of sensuality and romance. Instant Crush is a wave of elegance that mixes citrus fruits and sandalwood with irresistible vanilla and surprising ginger. Well, that explains why I like it so much. Those are some of my favorite scents. I love it when it's a little musky, but I love the bite of the ginger, and the citrus really lightens it, and that was another good one. And last but not least, we have, this one is red. I think with your first one that you will get, this part is silver. That's how mine was last time. This was silver. And this fragrance is Amarode Dark Orchid. Ooh, that sounds nice. So this says, imagine a forest floor shimmering with mystical energy that radiates from petals of black gardenia and a rare spiced orchid. I can't wait to spritz this. Rich layers of balsam and vanilla conceal a whiff of both danger and mystery. I feel like I'm reading a really good book here, making this dark orchid a phenomenal, hypnotic, and addictive treasure. Top notes of mandarin, citrus accord, black gardenia, Sicilian bergamot. Middle notes of jasmine, ylang ylang, lotus wood, and black orchid. And base notes of patchouli, sandalwood, and intense accord of vanilla. All right, let's see what this smells like. It sounds sexy as heck. They sent me 3 very sexy fragrances. So, new tissue paper. Yep, smells like nothing. It was the red one, right? Now I have to take it out and double check. Yes, it was indeed the red one. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. What does that smell like? You know what? I said this after the second one. This smells like nothing. No perfume scent I have ever smelled. That is amazing. Oh, this is the one we're putting on. Oh my gosh, that is so... Let's put it on me. Because you know, sometimes you spritz on paper and then when you put it on you, it goes a little different. So, we'll give it a minute with the alcohol kind of waft away. Oh my gosh, my room smells amazing, guys. Oh, that is so nice. That is like, that's like very grown up. You know what I mean? I like the Prada candy fragrances. I love those. I love the Tokyo Milk, but I tend to like sweeter, candier fragrances. This is not that. It's like dead sexy. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I've covered it. That is LuxSB, which is luxury scent box. It is $15 per month for the subscription. Each month you will receive your perfume. It is 0.30 ounces, which is one of the largest that any scent box does. With your first perfume, you will receive your first case, which I believe will be silver. And you just pop it down in here and it closes right up and then it's secure. You will receive a new case quarterly. Every month you will receive a new perfume. And they pop in and out. So if you haven't finished your first month and you just want to go between the two, they will pop in and out just as many times as you want. If you would like to try it, I have a link below, and your first month will be $9.75 with my code KathrinMcCarty. Another great point of LuxSB is they have men's fragrances too. So if you're looking for a present for your husband, or if you are a man, they have a great selection of men's fragrances. I told you everything. It smells so good in here. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you like when I do different things on the channel. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.